Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful scene to enjoy today. It's a beautiful atmosphere for anyone to enjoy here. If I would have been a city dweller, I would have been attracted to a brand new vehicles or a new model vehicle in town. But no, as a pastoralist, this is the center for attention. And seeing rain and water is the main pride and what can attract our attention. And I believe this feeling is across the county, and everybody feeling this way and have rain everywhere. And it's a beautiful scene to enjoy here. This is a Orahey Grounds. It's really turning into a huge lake. Can you see this? These are really the Orahey flamingos. It may remind you Lake Victoria or Naivasha.